Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unbox June's fab bag. So if you all are interested in knowing what all we have in this month's fab bag, then please keep on watching. So before we start with the unboxing, I so wanna tell you guys that you do not want to miss out on this month's fab bag. आप पूरे साल का या 6 साल का सब्सक्रिप्शन मत लो, it's okay, but this month's subscription you have to get because you are gonna get 8 products and just for rupees 599 and all of them are amazing. Like each and every product is going to be amazingly beautiful and I'm sure you're gonna love it too. So I highly recommend please go and get yourself June's fab bag and you are not gonna regret any single penny you're gonna spend on this. So yeah, let's just dive into the unboxing and let me show you what all we have in this month's bag. So as usual, we have this cardboard box and inside we have all the goodness. Let's just talk about the pouch first. Oh my god, like see how pretty this pouch is. It has this clouds and this raindrops all over, and it's in like black and gray color theme is going on in this bag, and it's almost like a July's fab bag. Like last year I love July's fab bags pouch, and this year I think this is going to be one of my favorite pouches, definitely, because it's so cute. It's obviously waterproof because it's made of a plastic and it's very convenient to use as well. So you can just use this as your travel pouch or travel emergency kit or anything you wanna keep in. You can definitely do that. So yeah, that's the pouch, and that's not it. Like we have products in this pouch and we also have some products in this box as well. So I'm telling you, you do not want to miss out on this month's bag. So I think we should start with the products which are kept in the box here. So the first and foremost thing I can see here is from the brand Plum, and it's their body loving best selling duo mini sets. And Plum is like one of the best brand out there for your skincare and hair care, and I personally love Plum. Wait, I'm going to give you the proof as well. So I have this mist, it's right here. So I have this mist as well from Plum and I absolutely love this one. I cannot do without this. You can see it's almost over and this is like my third bottle or something. So we're gonna keep it aside over here and let's start with the products now. So this is how the mini set duo looks like. It's from the brand called Plum, and you have to just open it like this and then you have your products inside. So this is how the products looks like. Now we have their shower gel, like both of them are shower gel, and one is in the flavor Oopsie Daisy and the other one is it's Hawaiian Rumba, whatever. So that's the shower gels we have from the Plum, and this is how both of them looks like. I'm sure it's gonna smell amazing. Let's just smell anyway. Yeah, I'm a big fan of fragrances and I think I love these as well. This is cute. Oh my god, what is this fragrance? I haven't smelled Daisy. Okay, it's Hawaiian Rumba, so I don't know what exactly it has in it. Oh, this smells so good. And plus point is also that these are like travel friendly ones, so you can use this while you are traveling, which is a great thing. Now the second thing we have in here is from the brand True Hair. I haven't heard about this brand before, but it sounds promising. It has all this natural ingredient like Bingraj, then they have Pushpa, then they have Brahmi, aloe vera, til tail, Nimba beach tail, and all the goodness, all the Ayurvedic stuff. I can read the ingredients from here. And the best part about this oil is that it comes with the oil heater. Like you just have to plug it inside the plug and then you have to pour your oil over here and you can keep it for like 4 to 5 minutes and then the oil will start heating up and then you can use it as that as well, which is a great thing. We all know, like most of us do use our hair oils after heating them a little, so I think this can be a very good option to have in your vanity, because you can heat up not just this oil, but you can heat up any oil you want in there. And the product actually looks something like this. It's in this black bottle, and let me tell you how it smells. It doesn't smell good at all. It smells pathetic, but I think that's because of all the Ayurvedic things in this have in it. This doesn't smell good. So this is the second product. Now this one retails for rupees 189 with the heater. And now I forgot to mention the price of this one. Now the Plum shower gel duo retails for 325 rupees. So that was the first product. Now the next thing I see here is from the brand called Bezier India. We have received their face mist in previous bags as well. It's their darkest roll on, and it's obviously a perfume which you can use. And this is how the bottle looks like, and I can already smell it. Like when I opened the packet, it started smelling. Yeah, so it's their darkest roll on, and you just have to, you're gonna kill me, okay? This is so good. This smells amazing. I'm gonna roll it on right now as well. This smells good. Now this one retails for 499 rupees. Like ये एक ही चीज़ 499 rupees की है. So like your entire cost of the fab bag is like 599. So it is amazing. Please, yeah, please ये month का तो ले ही लो. You're not gonna regret anything. Trust me. So yeah, this one was the third thing in the bag. Now let's dive into this pouch that we have. Now we also have like some info card in here. First one is like the product details. Now the second one is in my fab bag contest, and this time if you participate and win, then you're gonna get what are we gonna get in? Okay, the mini lipstick set from the Las Vegas, and also the transfer proof smooth eye pencil, and that's how that looks like. Like this is what you're gonna win if you participate and win. Now we have the details of the contest over here. Now I also have renewal offer, because obviously my subscription ended this month, so we'll see if we're gonna subscribe in future or not. Now next thing I see here is this box, and it's from the brand Sugar. It's their all set to go translucent powder. Now this is amazing thing to have. Like Sugar, as you know, I love Sugar and all the products of them. So this one retails for, wait, let me tell you the price first. So this one retails for rupees 599, and let me give you a closer look to the packaging as well. So this is how the packaging looks like, and you just have to open this from here, and you have this sponge. Unlike other powders, this sponge is actually usable. Like you can use this sponge to apply your powder, and yeah, it's very smooth on your skin, and it's actually very smooth, and you just have to peel this off, and you can just use the powder. It's translucent, so it doesn't have any tint or anything. It's pure white color. So this is the first thing from the Sugar. Now we also have another thing from Sugar, which is their mini lipstick. It's their Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick mini version, and I chose the shade 37 Hot Apricot. You as usual get to choose your shade. Like whichever shade you want, you can choose that for yourself. So I chose this one this time, and this is how the lipstick looks like, and I have applied this on my lips today as well. So that is the next thing we have in this month's fab bag. Now the final thing I see here is again from the brand Plum, and it comes in this pouch, which again is very cute, and we have this thing. So we have this complete hair spa kit from the brand called Plum. Is their olive and macadamia mega moisture hair mask. Then we have olive and macadamia rich nourish conditioner, and then we also have their shampoo. So these are obviously travel size and sample size products, and but decent size. You can use this for around 3 times max. I can totally feel that you can use this for at least 3 times. So yeah, this is what we have in this month's bag, and this one retails for how much? This one retails for 375 rupees, and I'm very excited to use their shampoo because I haven't used any shampoo from Plum before. Yeah, this also smells decent. So yeah, that's there. Now that was all for today's video. So those are all the products you're gonna get in this month's fab bag, and I am again asking you, requesting you, insisting you, and recommending you to go and purchase this one for yourself because it's amazing and you are gonna have so many amazing products as well. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you like watching my content. You can also share this with your friends and family, like this video, and you can comment down below if you want me to continue doing this unboxing, because as I mentioned, I have like my subscription has ended this month. So if you guys want me to make more unboxing video, then I will definitely do that for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.